right. It's gas.
Oh, time out. I'm losing a pen. You're good. No, it's just regular battery.
Jeez, dude.
I'm dead.
That thing's got.
I am the medic. Why am I pushing? Because no one else is. Am I red?
I can see myself, yeah.
All right, Gucci. YouTube famous now.
Yeah.
Good guys coming left. Guys coming left. Got guys right. You out? Nope. Gabe, I got guys left. All right. Am I good? Hit. He got me. Oh, he traded. All right, cool deal. Hey, let's go mid then. If you, hey. Nope. Jack, cover. Oh!
Good call, Adidas, drop it. Good job, Adidas, good job,
Hey,
Adidas.
Jack, top left.
Well done, Adidas, well done.
Hit.
Right there.
Oh, hit. I'm in a helmet. We're good. I'm hit.
Hey, this might end horribly. Wait, hold on.
Do we want to defend the outer compound or the inner compound?
Both. Yeah, you want to have that defense.
Yeah.
Rifle. That's yours? Oh, that's my rifle. That's mine.
That door for shot, or you guys are done.
Yes.
Watch that window for frags.
Good king. Yes, king.
If they throw a grenade, step on it. Go out.
Wait, what? I don't trust that. You're smiling. I don't believe it.
No.
Really?
If they throw it and it doesn't go off, step on it as fast as you can and it won't go off.
All right. Oh, my laser. Oh, there we go. I mean, fucking Theo, what are you doing like that? What are you doing? Reload faster! Loading! What side? Got it, got it, got it. Nice. Oh. Ah! Sorry, Theo. Shoot that window. Ah! Okay, I'm dead.
Oh, God.
Come here. Thank you.